good morning, wherever you are. Thank you so much once again for tuning in to my video. I haven't done a video for about 2 weeks now. I've been really busy with work and other things. So just a quick one. To be honest with you, I have not planned this video, what I was going to talk about. It was just a quick one. I was working during the day today, finished at 5:30, and I had to pop out to get some shopping, one or two errands, came back, and I thought I really do need to get a video out. I haven't done a video for about 2 weeks. I really do need to take it, and truly, honestly, I should be doing about at least 3 to 4 videos a week, as my mentor Rob Fraser always says. Always slam out the contents, no matter if it is YouTube video or if it's tweet or post, Facebook post, and which I am doing slowly. To be honest with you, I have been slacking a lot, and there should be no excuse for that. And I think I should get back on it. What do you guys think? Yes, of course. So basically, I'm just gonna run through what I'm doing at the moment, roughly. So at the moment, as you can see, I'm on my Facebook profile page. I started to post on there more regular things. Like, for example, I'm not straight going into, yeah, I've joined this, come and join my business. Nowadays, it does not work like that. You have to give value, and quality content out there in order to capture the audience, to gain followers and to gain trust and to know who you are, know, like, and trust. So that's what I have started to do. So, just normal random quotes from myself. And the other thing, if you can't think of anything, guys, if you can't think of anything, any quotes, and all you have to do, just go on Google and just search positive quote. So the one I go on is called Brainy Quote, as you can see. All right, on this website, literally so many valuable, amazing quotes. And just copy it and then paste it, and obviously give the credit who said it. So, for example, this one from Vincent van Gogh, is a famous artist we all know. I would like, just let's do one right now, just a short one. I don't know, a good decent one, a good, let's do motivation. Sorry about this. I can be a bit indecisive with certain things. Okay, I like this one. This is my favourite one. It is my favourite, this one here. So let's, okay, let's copy this. Go back on my Facebook. Go create a post, paste. There you go, and just enter hyphen. Who is it? Okay. Okay, maybe not. So it was, okay, there you go, his name's here. So let's copy that, Charles. Swindle. There you go. Put that. And if you want to add colour, brighten it up, which I do sometimes, a nice bright, easy to the eye colour. Maybe let's go for this one, maybe. No, let's go for the original one. That's nice, I like that. Okay, and just post it. So life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it, and I totally agree with that. So let's post that, and there you go. And I do the same, and I do exactly the same, you know, literally go on my Twitter as well. I go on my Twitter, and I literally just post it there, you know, tweet, paste, and there you go. There you go, guys. Like your own post. Same with Facebook. Like your own post or love it. And there you go. Just literally get your presence known to your followers or your friends or whatnot. And there you go. I mean, literally keep going. So yeah. So that was one of it. I know I'm a bit bubbling on a bit. So that's one of the things I'm doing on a daily basis at the moment for free traffic. Now, yesterday I posted on a few of Facebook groups, and the way I post it, we all know when we do post ad, so many people are gonna spam that link. Spam that post on the comments. We know that. So what I do, I literally just, I'll tell you what I do. You know what, I'll do another video on that, but this one I just want to get it done, finished with. I just want to show you the opt-ins I've got recently on my landing page. So I posted it yesterday on the 14th, and since then I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 opt-ins, free traffic, right? Free opt-ins. I didn't have to pay a single penny to pay for that traffic. I did it, and I will tell you how I do it on my next video. Okay, so I just want to quickly say, if you haven't, follow me on Twitter, which is at Escape with Abdul, Instagram. I didn't sign in Instagram, so Facebook obviously on here, Abdul Hamid. And if you have any questions or anything whatsoever, reach out to me and I will help you the best I can. Now, when it comes to internet business or affiliate marketing, whatever, it is going to take time. It is going to test your discipline, level. You're going to keep going, keep doing it, what you're doing. Oh, sorry, keep doing what you're doing, and then you will achieve your ultimate goal. And just keep busting out the content, just keep putting content out there. Be whatever, just go in front of camera. Look, when I first started going in front of the camera, I was not comfortable. I really scared. It took me a good 2-3 years to get over it. Can you believe that? 2 years to actually get in front of a camera and actually shoot some video. That is crazy. And now I'm just doing it. I'm just cranking out some videos as much as I can, offering value and content to you guys out there, especially if anyone who are looking to make money online in the UK, reach out, shoot me a message. My Facebook link will be down there, my Twitter, and my link to my opportunity, my business down there. If you want to message me on Facebook, do so. If you have any questions, reach out to me and I will answer them the best I can. Okay, so I don't know, guys, this this video is just a random video. I'm really sorry. Literally, it was not planned. I'll do another video on how I got those free traffic as well. So um, keep an eye out for that. And thank you once again for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.